Good afternoon, this is Mr. Touchton. If you are subscribed to this channel, you may be thinking to yourself, Mr. Touchton, that looks like a different school. It is. I do teach at a new school now and I'm back teaching in 5th grade. So I've decided to re-record one of the lessons that I taught a long time ago for my new students and their parents and anybody else who just happens to be browsing YouTube. So today we're going to talk about place value and decimal fractions. First we're going to step over to this chart right here to talk about it. Now, when we are multiplying, the numbers are going to move to the left, just like you see right here when we're multiplying. And when we're dividing, the numbers are going to move to the right. Some things we do want to focus on are paying attention to the signs, whether multiplication or division, and the number of zeros that we're multiplying by. Okay? Up here we had 100, so the numbers were going to move twice. Now, as I said, please always pay attention to the number of zeros because that's going to determine how many times the numbers are going to move. So we're going to start right here with our multiplication. So we have 23 7/10 times 100. So actually I'm going to use, I want to use a black marker for this so maybe you can see it a little bit better. So we're going to plug in our 23 7/10. And we're multiplying times 100. So the way we're going to do that, since we're multiplying, our numbers are going to move to the left. The number is going to get bigger. So we want to pay attention to our number of zeros. Right here we have 2 zeros because we're multiplying by 100. So that means we're going to move these numbers twice. So we're going to take this 2 and we're going to go 1, 2. Put it right here. We're going to take this 3. We're going to go 1, 2. Place it right here. We're going to go take our 7 and go 1, 2, and place it right here. And of course, we have to fill in this blank right here. It's going to be with a 0 because 23 7/10 times 100 is going to equal 2,370. Now, that's how we do the multiplication. We're going to focus on our division now, and all I'm going to do is erase these numbers real quick. And up top, I'm going to switch my signs, erase my answer. So I'm going to take this multiplication sign, and I'm going to turn it to division. So when we divide, our numbers are actually going to move to the right. So we'll start right up here with our 2. So our 2 is going to go all the way back to our 10th place. So we're going to take our 2, we're going to go 1, 2. Our 1 is going to go from our 1's place to our 100th place. We're going to go 1, 2. And our 7 is going to go back to our 1000th place. We're going to take this, we're going to go 1, 2, back over here. And so 23 7/10 divided by 100 is going to equal 237 thousandths. That's all we have for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and I hope it helps you in your math. Thank you so much.